that's why the cramp, they say if I follow man, the thing will stop. Every day this crap used to disturb me too much.
Eh? You don't get problem now. Ha! If you see our house, cramps full.
Cramps full.
Ha! Now see, when Chinelo they get cramp, Nami Kiora. When Amaka they get cramp, Nami Kiora. When Precious they get cramp, Nami Kiora.
Our Precious?
Yes, now.
Hey, I better cure me. Ha! Come on, cure me my own cramp. Let us go to your house so you cure me, please.
Yes, just let's go.
Cure me.
Even if you want
go where? Where you they go? What did they go cramp?
No, it's Oluwa boy. He want to help me so that my cramp will stop. He said if I follow him to his room, then he have plenty cramp there.
Yes.
Then the cramp will stop.
Follow him to
his room. He said if I follow him to his room, my cramp will stop. Let us
go.
Come. If you move an inch now, don't go. The devil will cripple you at once. If you move an inch now, get a man, the devil will cripple you. You see when you trap. Oluwa boy, mba. Oluwa boy.
Let's go.
If you don't answer me, and don't want to figure out what I go blow pepper into your eye this afternoon. What is wrong with you? Where are you taking the woman, this lady to? That is what I want to understand. Where are you taking her to? And what is happening in our house?
What is this cramp that wants to happen? And now you respect yourself. Respect yourself, please. Please, let us go now. You want to show me this cramp?
You take an inch. If you step on it, you don't go like.
You like him. Do I like you before? Why do I like you before?
Do I like you before?
It's okay now. Why you holding him now? You're any more progress. Somebody want to go and teach me something. Want to show me cramps. Help me. Let my life change. Cramps that is disturbing me since how many years? Now you want to stop him. Stop it. I don't like it. To express yourself.
Cramps.
You can't see cramps. Otherwise, you have your own cramps here.
No.
You don't have your own cramps.
No. What you have to use cure your own cramp now here again.
Okay, your own is here.
Is here.
And my own cramps.
Yes.
So we will not merge it together.
Yes, let me go.
Let us go. Sorry, let us go. Oluwa, you have to treat me.
You see?
No, Oluwa, I thought this said is your.
Hey, let's follow here. Let's follow back here and go.
Nani, you not join us. Let them cure your own crab.
No, don't follow us.
You don't have your own crab.
No, leave me. Let's go. My house straight.
Yes. He said your room down.
Yes. I will go.
Fast. We will just.
Let's go. You are coming back a crippled woman today. Now. If you are not coming out of that house, you'll be crippled. Because Oluwa boy ibu putregu anaconda. Uwe puta anaconda. Anaconda you can never remain the same. Oga kram go brugu nishita. Aga go ka chidi. Just they go. You don't rush am. Yeah, you konkosa. Ebe go to wall and walk a cram. I care to the ma. I cure crampy. I cure chomemenike. I cure manachi. Today you go cure wish on top of you. Just they go. I'm an uncle nabo. Since you decided to drop shame on my face in this village, you will never sit on my nose and get balance. Go and mark it somewhere. I don't know. Maggi baby, I'm gonna move. He get back to for me. Here. Bingo. Every day now. It why you're robber. Don't worry, you go see him. Opa cramp. I'm gonna get him. O cramp tag, I will cramp you. Idiot of no information.
Hey, my beautiful family, guess what is happening on the 30th of May? Guess. A very big movie will be premiered in London. Movie owned by Chief Imo. Chief Imo movie premiere is on the... Chief, you wanted to hit me stick.
Oh yes, that is what I do. Every discussion in the whole world now should be about that movie premiere. Anybody that is talking anything contrary to that movie premiere will be hit or hitted on the head and copy one time. But immediately I heard my name from your mouth, I succumbed. So move on. Speak on. Speak.
Chief Imo movie premiere will happen on the 30th of May in London. Chief Imo is threatening me with stick. Chief Imo movie premiere will happen on the 30th
Buy
of
your
May.
ticket.
Buy your ticket
Now.
Buy your ticket now, please. Buy your ticket. I beg you, please. Help Chief Imo. He's hungry. Let him see food to shop because he's very wicked. He's a wicked man. He's a good man. Wicked man. Buy your ticket for him.
You have heard from her. If I come to London, I don't see you. Hey. Who was that?
I'm just testing what you did. I just want to test it.